could this be?
I'm going under and I feel
Oh, did you get close, honey? Can I get close?
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy.
And are you getting hungry?
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall.
Bye, little guy. I'll come back later and check on you. Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh.